super impressed. The quality of the meeting at all levels was fantastic. Most importantly, we have to remember that we're here for science, so it's a scientific society. We're here not just for the science itself, but for the future of science, which is the young people and everybody involved in training and thinking about science. And also, in thinking about science, the future, it's not just the young people, it's also our environment, being stewards of our environment. So we heard a lot about that at the meeting this week. And so, first of all, the quality of the different sessions. There was the computational biology workshop. The first day, that workshop was great. Many attendees, and I heard fantastic things about it. So that's a great start already, because that's training for the future. And then the quality of the science presentations, the talks, the plenaries, the posters, were all very high quality. And so I'm extremely impressed with the quality of the science brought forward. And the organization of the meeting, seeing how all the ISME ambassadors got together, worked together. It's a very open environment, so many countries involved, and seeing the sort of camaraderie between all these different nations and everybody working towards the same goal. So the poster session that was right around here where we're sitting was fantastic. I had great conversations with so many students on the science they're doing and science that's aimed at important problems. Bioremediation, disease control, microbial diseases that we need to get a handle on, and that are important for local areas here in Nepal, like dengue and leishmania. All you folks working on these important issues. So my impression of this meeting was that it couldn't have been better. I can't even think about how it could have been better in terms of the quality of the science, the friendliness and openness of all the people, all the attendees. The food was good, and the views you can't beat with the Machpuchra in the background. It's just incredible. And that's due to the leadership, the leadership of the ISME ambassadors, and in particular the local organizing committee led by Professor Dev Joshi has been fantastic, and so I can't imagine having a better meeting. It was super. And you even planned for good weather. So anyway, that's my impression.